We're constantly hunting for that one project everyone misses before the major move, and today we're breaking down a hidden giant in crypto called ULTIMA. This strong ecosystem token has been quietly building a massive global community and real utility while most of the market is looking the other way. If you've been searching for an undervalued project with a hyper-limited supply model, this is one of the most overlooked coins you definitely need on your watch list. What is up, guys? Welcome back to your favorite crypto corner. As I was saying, ULTIMA was launched in March of 2023 with a clear vision to bridge the gap between traditional finance and blockchain through a high-speed payment gateway. What's huge is that it runs on its own proprietary smart blockchain, handling up to 2,000 transactions per second. It's attracting serious attention now because it's a functional gateway to a full suite of digital financial tools. And what makes this a next bull cycle candidate is its massive community backing. We're talking about 2.8 million users across 120 countries, which is creating a loyal and worldwide holder base. ULTIMA has a long presence in the market and a history of continuous development, which has built massive brand awareness and a high trust factor among its users. As you can see, guys, this is a real utility project. The smart wallet is a non-custodial hub for their DeFi splitting technology, which is allowing users to freeze tokens for daily rewards. But the real-world use case is the ULTIMA card. This is a crypto debit card that is accepted in 100+ countries, compatible with Apple and Google Play, with limits up to 10,000 euros a day. Between the card, the trading bots, and the marketplace, ULTIMA has built a complete digital economy for everyday spending. Historically, ULTIMA has shown a strong market presence, remaining resilient even through volatility. But the smart money is looking at the scarcity model. There is a hard cap of only 100,000 tokens. With nearly 3 million users and only about 37,700 tokens in circulation, we're looking at extreme scarcity. Plus, the January 2026 halving slashed emissions by 75%, and their built-in token burn mechanics ensure that the supply stays deflationary. Now, guys, looking ahead, the roadmap includes the ULTIMA platform and deeper GameFi expansion. And this momentum is fueling exchange expansion potential, with heavy community speculation about upcoming listings on top-tier exchanges like Binance, OKX, Bybit, BitGet, and Upbit. While not officially confirmed, the project is hitting every milestone for a major breakout, and it's signaling that we could be in a quiet accumulation phase before the masses pile in. So is ULTIMA the next cycle gem? Well, with its hyper-limited supply and real-world card utility, this is a serious contender. As always, guys, do your own research, add ULTIMA to your watch list, and let me know in the comments if you're tracking this exchange expansion. See you in the next one.